So basically, what are blue zones? Let's come to that first thing. What are blue zones? I hope a lot of people have already seen the documentary, so you have an idea of what it is. For you, it's going to be a very nice summary as well as a reinforcement of what you can do, your purpose of life, and how you can kind of contribute to making a blue zone in your area. Actually, that is my motive here, that every individual can in their own little way do something somewhere so that they create a blue zone in their community, their area, so which will help them because they lead a longer, happier, healthier life, as well as their sense of purpose or their commitment or whatever they're doing, their ikigai is going to help other people too. So isn't it beautiful when you can do something innately, which is a give and take and which will benefit everybody, right? So we are going to think a little beyond ourselves and our horizons and think of everybody else also. So basically, blue zones are those specific regions in the world where people live longer, healthier and happier lives. Okay, I repeat, longer, healthier and happier. So can you imagine, this is what we all strive for, right? So there was this American guy who went around, Dave, his name is, the pronunciation is a little awry for me, Dave Buettner. Okay, he was sponsored by National Geographic and he went around for 20-30 years just surveying all over the world. He went trying to find out which countries or which communities in the world have the longest living people, as in centenarians, people over 100. Okay, people over 100, 90, 105. Where is it in the world that people have the happiest, longest, healthiest life? So what he discovered was that there are 5 regions in the world, okay, where people have amazing longevity and the quality of life is absolutely brilliant. They are living till 100. You have a 105-year-old guy who's like a cowboy, who's sitting on a horse and riding around. You have people who are 100 years old who are harvesting grape fields. You have people in Okinawa, Japan. You have people who, old women, great grandchildren, they're sitting and laughing with their family. So they are living and living and living, but they're not living with disease. They're living with zest. They're living with so much energy. They're so independent. And the beauty of it is that it has nothing to do with high-tech technology. It has nothing to do with hospitals. It has nothing to do with healthcare. It has nothing to do with money and how affluent you are. Okay, it is about the environment. So this whole study about the blue zone is that what if you make your environment in such a way that you automatically are nudged to become healthier. And once you are healthier, you lead a happier life, and when you're happy, your longevity automatically increases. Okay.